Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are gonna display all the tasks on the home page. Okay, so to do that, first we will go to views.py. Okay, and before that, just start the server. Alright, cool. So I have started my server and this is the website. So yeah, from here we can add the task and all those things. Okay, so I'll just minimize this window now. Now here in the home page, we will first fetch the tasks. Okay, so here we can just write comment that fetch the tasks. Okay, now here I'll create variable tasks equals to task dot objects. Oops, sorry. Objects dot filter, and here it is going to be user equals to request dot user, and I'll also order it by minus created date created underscore at. Okay, so what it is going to do is the newest task will be on top and the oldest task will keep going to the bottom. Okay, this is what it means basically. So here I'll just create context dictionary, and in here I will pass tasks equals to, I mean not equals to, but yeah, in key value parameter it's going to be task context. Okay, just copy this and pass that variable over here. Now let's go to home page. So here we will be first creating the card for the task, and then we will display all those things. So here it's gonna be div dot container. Okay, and here I'll say h2 tag, and the class is going to be mb4. Okay, margin bottom 4, and your tasks. Okay, now here we will add the button by which we will click and it will just open the model, something like this. See, if I'm clicking over here, it is opening this model, right? So we are going to create the same button and we will remove this from here. Okay, so yeah, here let's go. So here I'll say button. Okay, it's going to be type equals to button, and class is going to be btn primary, mb is going to be 3, margin bottom 3. Okay, then I'll say data hyphen bs hyphen toggle is going to be modal, and data hyphen bs hyphen target is going to be the modal id, which is add task modal. Okay, so id you can fetch from here. Okay, this is going to be your id, so you can write the same thing over here, it will open up. Cool. After that we will just close the button, and I'll write text add new task. Okay, so just come over here, refresh. All right, so oh, okay, just a second, so I need to log in for that. And if I come over here, refresh. Okay, now I am logged in. So here the thing is that here we have written filter by user who is requesting for the task, right? So eventually we are passing the user while requesting this query. So what it is going to do is, if it is going to throw an error basically. So just as of now, just create a super user by the command create super user, okay? And then log into the admin panel, come over here and refresh. You will just see the home page. Okay, so this is the button. Okay, so it is not opening that modal. Okay, so I need to write hashtag over here. That's my mistake. Refresh. Okay, so it is now doing well. I'm performing well, right? So let's go to the base.html over here and just to remove this button. We don't need this now. Cool. Refresh. Yeah, cool. Okay, so once this is done, we will just now create the group list basically. Okay, so here, where was it? Yeah, in home.html. Now underneath this button we will say div dot list hyphen group. Okay, sorry, and if you don't want to write this complete code, I also have one alternative. You can just go to the getbootstrap.com, go to docs, then here you will see list group, and okay, I don't think so we will get any list because I cannot find the list group which can perfectly match our task display. Okay, let's leave it. Now come over here. Let's say div class equals to list group. I'll just zoom a bit so you can watch this properly. Yeah, list group, and I'll say for loop for task in task. Now here I'm gonna say a tag href, and as of now href is going to be hash. Okay, we are not going to perform anything on href, and here I'll say class list hyphen group item, and I'll say list group item action flex hyphen column. Okay, and align items. Okay, instead of center we will say start. Okay, so this is all bootstrap thing. If you don't understand bootstrap, don't worry, just write as it is. Okay, now here we will say div class equals to d hyphen flex w width is going to be 100, and justify content is going to be between. Okay, and then I'll just close div tag, then it is going to be h5 tag, and here I'll say the title of the task, so it is going to be task dot title. Okay, and here I'll say class, which is going to be mb-1, and here I'll say small, and the class for this is going to be text hyphen mutate. All right, and I'll just close this small task, I mean small tag, sorry. And in here I am going to say task dot created at, and I'll just write this pipe symbol, and I'll say date, and this is going to be md comma, I need to write this, sorry, md comma y h hyphen I. Okay, so yeah, this is done. We will now get out of this div tag, and here we will say p, and the class for this is going to be mb-1 and margin bottom basically, and it is going to have task description, task dot description. And one more thing I'm going to add over here is small, another tag. Okay, class for this is going to be badge, and I'll just close this small tag, and here I will just say task dot priority. Okay, save this, come over here, refresh. All right, so there's something wrong with this. Okay, we haven't added the end for tag, so we are going to end that. And one more thing, yeah, and for, cool. And here if this thing is empty, so we can say empty, we can write p tag, and here we can say class equals to text hyphen mutate. Okay, and here we can say no task found. Okay, just save this, come over here, now refresh. You can see we got this, right? So something's wrong. Okay, it's group save. Okay, now it's perfect. All right, so now in next video, okay, so priority is still not displayed. Let me go to the models.py. Here I'll just copy this spelling, come over here, refresh. Okay, so priority is not displayed. Why? Task, it's in a for loop, just for the debugging purpose. Okay, all right, so here we can say bg is going to be primary. Okay, now it is displaying the badge also. So yeah, here it is showing us 1. So we are going to create a custom filter for this. So in next video we will see that how we can create custom filters in Django. So yeah, this is it for today's video guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.